If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Tkinter. Our stage for graphical user interface magic, where all user interaction plays out.
For dialogues that communicate with users, guiding and informing them. The star of our show, the Barcode library, transforming mundane strings into barcoded artistry.
Our backstage artist, turning barcode data into tangible images.
The script for generate_barcode, where data is transformed into visual form, a blend of art and technology.
Our lead function. It takes center stage to perform the barcode generation. Listening to the user, we take their input, a seed that will grow into a visual barcode. Should the stage be empty, no input, we prompt for the user's script, input text. A gentle nudge for user participation. Exit gracefully, awaiting the user's return with input. The transformation scene, where input data is costumed into its barcode representation. Naming our barcode creation, a simple yet significant identifier. The save act, our barcode's debut onto the file system stage. Updating the graphical user interface with our barcode's image, a visual encore to the data's input performance. The path to our barcode image, a bridge from data to visual. Loading the image into Tkinter's realm, readying it for display. Displaying the barcode, a visual echo of the user's input. Anchoring the image in memory, ensuring its visibility on our graphical user interface stage. Addressing unforeseen errors, maintaining grace under unexpected conditions. Transparently communicating issues to the user. Setting the scene. Our graphical user interface's foundation, ready to host the interactions and visuals. Enticing users with a promise of transformation. Input's limelight, where user data steps onto our stage, ready to be transformed. Positioned for prominence and ease of access. The catalyst button. When pressed, it cues the transformation of text to barcode. Accessibly placed, inviting user interaction. Preparing for the barcode's reveal, a label awaits to display the transformative result. Reserved space, ensuring the barcode's visibility. The grand loop, sustaining our graphical user interface's life, responsive to every user cue and interaction. The enduring heartbeat of our application, ensuring ongoing engagement and functionality. Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com.
Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.